What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco is back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're talking about an Air Max 90. This shoe right here is super fire. When I came across it on Nike.com, I had to pull the trigger. It wasn't even in my size, but I know somebody from the squad or somebody around I know will want this shoe, bro. The Nike Air Max Exeter Edition is super fire. I didn't know that they had other editions or other colorways. It's the first time I'm actually seeing it, but we're gonna go ahead and get into the box, the review, and everything else. Let me know what you guys think about the video. If you do enjoy it, make sure you smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into these shoes, you dig? Now, the Air Max 90 Exeter is pretty much made out of some of the recycled materials that they've been doing. As you guys can see, they even started off with the box. The box is not the typical colorway of the Air Max 90s. It's usually that typical, you know, orange box. But right now we got this one here, which is dope. Gives you a different feel. Recycled materials, more cleaner, more of a clean look, if you will. Let's dive right into the shoe, man. Now, this thing is crazy. I showed people from the squad and they liked it. Give me your thoughts and opinions on it first glance. Have you seen this shoe in your local area? Maybe they got some pairs left on Nike.com if you want to check them out yourself. I don't know when the release date was of these. They just came out. I just saw them online. I mean, let me get the other shoe out the box. Both of these things is crazy. On the inside of the box, you got the Exeter Edition. Gives you the, you know, a story behind these shoes. Basically, to summarize it, Jeff Johnson used to work for Nike for a while. He used to just take old materials from things that Nike were going to throw away just to do it for sport, something that he was really into. Fast forward to years and years later, decades later, now Nike has this grind material where they take old pieces and recycle, you know, things that were going to be used for trash and made it into and put that stuff into other shoes. And that's something that Jeff Johnson was doing when he first started, you know, working there at Nike, just to do it, to try to come up with some new ideas. So now it's pretty dope that it came full circle, and that's the whole Air Max or the whole Nike grind story of using recycled materials from old shoes and whatnot to make new shoes. So it's pretty dope story. On the inside of the box, it has the whole story there. It might put it up on the screen. You guys can pause it and read it if you'd like to. Let's get the box out of here. Give me your thoughts and opinions, honestly, on this Air Max 90. I definitely think it is a 10 out of 10. No ways around it, bro. You have so much going on with the shoe. At the same time, it's still just classic. Of course, the Air Max 90 is a design and a style shoe that most people like out there. The color combination with the purple, the pink, the Volt green, white with a little bit of the Tiffany blue or teal, if you call it. Let me know what you guys think about these overall. I mean, there's so many different ways they color blocked it. The purple, I think, stands out the most on it. I'm loving the purple here with the black dots with this kind of crimson. Kind of gives me a Toronto Raptor vibe, if you will, you know what I mean? And then they have the teal around the lace areas, which is the smallest part, and then on the inside lining of the tongue. Of course, you guys can get some B-roll to see what I'm talking about. But they also have that teal color on the stitching where the mud guard is, I guess, if you will, from the midsole to the upper. I think that is a really dope detail. The outsole is crazy also, man. Once I showed this to people, everybody's heads was turning. A lot of people asked me where can I find them, and I definitely put them in the right direction. But everything about this shoe, man, is just off the charts. An easy 10 out of 10. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on this shoe. I was not fortunate enough to find it in a size 13 yet, but I will certainly, and once I do, I will be getting myself a personal pair. We will get the B-roll and up-close visuals of the shoe so you guys can go ahead and make a decision for yourself. But of course, because it's not a size 13, there will be no on feet. But this is the dope Nike Air Max Exeter Edition. Let me know what you guys think about this. I need all the feedback in the comment section below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you smash the like button. It's your boy Bossco Mitchell. I'm about to get out of here. Peace.